Thank you, ma'am. A very happy Women's Day to all of you, especially best wishes for my male colleagues. Special wishes, I mean.
Yes.
Ma'am, my question is related to the Paris Accord, sir. Till date, 55 countries did not sign the accord. And in an interview you have quoted, sir, that India had made specific compromises in the spirit of compromise. We did not want to block the accord, so we have signed the accord. So through you, madam, I would like to ask the minister, what are the compromises that India had made to sign this agreement? And second thing, sir, all the developed nations have quoted that 62 billion funding is given to the developing nations. So how much climate financing did India receive from 2014?
Not directly related to the two sentences. No country has signed because the signing process will start on 22nd of April in UN headquarters. So that day, majority countries and all countries have declared that they will sign and ratify the agreement. So that's a process which will have 1 year period. And as far as international finance is concerned, we are emphasizing with developed countries that they must follow their commitment of $100 billion. And we have also given an example and led by example that we can charge coal by $6 per ton. If developed world does the same, it can generate $100 billion.
The Honorable Minister had mentioned that he would like to open a model skill development center for each district. But sir, I would want to remind you that we already have something called as Nehru Yuva Kendras at every district level. And in any of the skill development initiatives taken so far, these Yuva Kendras have not been made a part of. So is there any further plan to make that? And apart from that, sir, in the general budget, 1,500 model skill development centers with a budget of 1,600 crores was announced. So I just wanted to understand if this budget is to upgrade the existing ITIs or are you going to create new infrastructure?